Welcome to PPTJanX. So in today's video, we are going to see how to edit quick access toolbar in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So here you can see there is a drop down button. So if we click on this button, we can either hide the quick access toolbar, or if you click on it again, so you can show the quick access toolbar. Okay, now let's learn how to edit it. So for that, we'll go to the file tab, and here we'll go to the options. Okay, and in options we'll go to the quick access toolbar. All right, and here you can see there are popular commands, so you can add any one command which you want to add in your quick access toolbar, or you can go for all commands. All right, and here you want to select any command which you want to add. So for example, I want to add merge sheet, so I will go for letter M. Yeah. So we'll search for merge shape option here. Yeah, here we have merge shape, and we can go for add. Okay, here we have added it, and now we press the OK button. So here we have merge shape option and quick access toolbar.